Good morning, everybody. Odogwu Bubu and Aisha. I got wafuru na social media. Thank you guys very well. Continue destroying the name of this little girl. Ngozi asekwa, ngozi asiro. Uno na abu nwatakịrị na the young shall grow. She's gonna grow up. And one day she's gonna come after you guys for destroying, denting, and labeling her. Continue doing what you are doing. The young shall grow. She will come after you guys one day. The good thing you can do for this girl is to take everything about this DNA and everything out of the social media and let her be. Let the little girl be. Thank you very much. What is the celebration all about? What is that celebration all about? After all, you had something with the Ngozi. Unfortunately, you were not the victim. But you are, man. It doesn't matter how you go. It doesn't matter how you did it. It could be the other way. But the table has turned. That's why you guys are celebrating. Should I say shame on to you guys? See how you are labeling this little girl. She's a minor, remember that. And government can come after you guys for that. Nonsense.